Mix yeast and water. Add egg. Add sugar. Add salt. Add oil. Warm some milk. Add the mixture of yeast. Add the warmed milk. Mix it well. Now gradually add the milk and knead the dough. Add some oil. Set the dough for 1 hour. Now the dough has risen. Fold it gently. Now add some oil in the pan. Add chopped onion. Fry it. Add flour. Mix it well. Add milk. Add salt and pepper. Mix it well. Now add the chicken. Again mix it. Add green chilies and coriander. Mix it. Now the dough is ready. Add the fillings and gently roll it. Cut it making fish-like shape. Spread the egg. Sprinkle sesame seeds. Bake it for 5 to 6 minutes on medium flame. Bake it from either sides. And here you go. Your chicken bread is ready.